Rough road na naman. Oh no. Mami. Go.
What is up mga kapreds? It's your boy Predatores Motovlog, ang Predator ng Pilipinas. And for today's video, kasama natin si Kuya Tons TV, Justin, solid na idol natin, at saka syempre si Gino ng Mr. Sam G and Mrs. Bean's Cafe. So papunta tayo ngayon sa may San Clemente, Tarlac para pasyalan ang Sitio Dueg. At yun ang Dueg Kapya Kentalna. So yan. Sa mga nakakaalam sa papunta doon at naka-experience sa papunta ron, ito ang pinaka-latest na makikita ninyo kung kumusta na ba ang kalsada and kung sulit pa rin ba pumunta ron. Kaya mga ka-friends, enjoy nyo na yung video. Siyempre alam nyo na, montage na yung susunod nito. Let's go!
Tough times I've been going through, some tough times and I'm overdue. A good sign, maybe something new, some good times, give me any clue. Cause I don't wanna be left over, I just wanna know how it feels to have closure. Tough times I've been going through, some tough times I've been going through. I feel like something's missing, my life's a little dull, think I have a condition. Everything I do, I just feel like I'm existing. I'm in a bad mood and there ain't no point resisting. My mind is on a mission to make me feel different. I don't wanna listen, but it's hard when it's persistent. Darkness is gripping, quicksand sifting. I've been sinking into this pit for a minute. Tough times I've been going through, some tough times and I'm overdue. A good sign, maybe something new.
Little part. Little part. Okay. May takbayan. Punta na tayo. Yeah, punan mo. Tapos may ganito. Ay Dana, sharp curve. Mabuhangin nga lang, kaya kailangan may pag-iingat sa pag-akyat at pagbaba dito. May mga bato-bato, may mga buha-buhangin. Ay grabe, ay mukhang matarik to. Buhangin, bulas nun. Ayan. Nakakatakot. Maraming buhangin. Sitio Dueg. Ayan na yung Sitio Dueg. Nandito na tayo mga ka-friends. Exciting to. Akit-akit tayo mamaya. Registration muna tayo. Ayan o, Kuya Tons TV.
Naglilibre daw si Kuya Tons.
Tapos ay si Gino. Dito tayo pupunta, hindi sa Kanding Falls. Hindi, papunta yatang Kanding Falls si Gino. Itong diretsyon to, yan yung papuntang Sitio Dueg. Yung pupuntahan natin view deck. Ayan, galing tayo nagbayad dito sa registration area. 20 pesos per head lang para sa environmental fee ang kailangan bayaran. And yan, papunta na tayong Sitio Dueg. Ayan si Bro Gino. Let's go. Nauna na si Kuya Tons. So by twos tayong aakyat para tandem tayo. Ang ganda ng view.
Like being alone again. Where are my friends? I need to change things in my brain. That's why
Pag gusto nyo umakyat sa Sitio Dueg, Sitio Dueg at saka nakamotor ka, yan. Konting pag-iingat lang kasi may buhangin, may mga bato-bato, may mga konting part ng kalsada na hindi masyadong friendly daanan. Kaya dapat nag-iingat tayo lagi. Saka syempre dahil hindi natin kabisado, hindi natin kilala pa yung daan, yan. Enjoy lang natin siya.
Let me feel for a minute. Wait, I don't like that quick.
Ito na yung rough road. Okay. Picture muna. Picture muna.
By your side till we win it. Ride or die, I'ma always stay with it. Got my mind tangled in knots.
Picture muna, picture muna.
Scratching behind all the memories lost. The happy ones between the awful spots.
Okay na.
I visualize the
Ayun yun, kay kuya na.
protagonistic thoughts. Antagonistic boss. I try to win, I try to see the plot.
Okay na.
The rain burns like
Yeah. Okay. So nandito na tayo sa part ng daan kung saan rough road. Yan. Ngayon dito sa part na to, namimiss ko yung dati kong motor, si Barako. Yun yung ano natin, Rossi KR125, yung mga isa sa mga naunang lumabas na enduro type na Rossi. Yan. Sa mga ganitong situation, sa mga ganitong kalsada, siya perfect na perfect. Yeah. Yan. So pag dumadaan dito, siyempre kailangan sundan niyo yung trail kasi merong trail yung lagi nadadaanan ng mga sasakyan, which is yun yung pinaka safe na pwede mong daanan. Grabe. Oh my God. Oh my God. Kailangan natin magpremera dito. Yeah. Talagang literal rough road ang dadaanan dito. Ay, kawawa si Sigi. Ay, nako. Kayang-kaya ni Gino yan. Yeah. Ay, grabe. Pero may nadaanan naman tayo dati na mas grabe pa dito. Kaya mas okay pa to. Grabe. Ay, grabe. Yep. Oh, grabe. Ang taas. Oh my God, ang taas natin. Solid. Woohoo. Yeah. We're gonna do this really slow. Grabe. Grabing rough road yan. Kaya dapat by twos yung maakyat kasi challenging siya. Tapos bababa tayo dito mamaya, no? Oops. Oops. Kaya natin. Si Gino. Kumusta si Gino? Napastap yata si Gino. Oh no! Tumba sila ni Harley. Mami! Baba ka. Go, 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 go.
A few moments later.
Tumomba sila dun eh. Tumomba silang magama. Ay bata eh. Grabe.
So kita nyo naman na tumba si Chino doon sa may paakyat, sa may rough road na yun. Grabe, nakakatakot na incident yun. Pero kung kailan akala namin na natapos na ang aming kalbaryo, ito ang mga sumunod pang mga nangyari.
Rough road na naman.
Ano ba pakialam mo?
Wow, ganda. Oo. Di mo na kailangan pumuntang Baguio. Pangit nga lang yung daan.
Bakit yan na inaasal mo? Ano ba ang drama mo sa buhay?
Sana ito na yung last rough road na pupuntahan na nadadaanan namin. Ay, grabe. Kailangan sundan mo yung trail. Merong trail eh. Kaya lang may times kasi mawawala ka sa trail eh. Ayun Oo, madudulas ka talaga. Kailangan naka-ready yung paa mo. Ay.
Ano ka nasisira, ulo?
Ay, grabe. Ay, grabe talaga. Solid. Yep. Sinlamig ng Baguio. Ayan
Wow! Oh, nagpapagod yan!
Yep, doon tayo pupunta. Altitude 2,000. So yun, dito na tayo sa may Duwag Kapya Kental na. Hindi ko alam pa paano yan, pero Duwag daw yung pagkabanggit dito sa Sitio Duwag. Yan First time mo ba dito?
Yes.
Yan, first time natin.
Very challenging yung dinaanan natin.
Oh, grabe
Kung hindi malakas ang loob mo, hindi ka makakaakyat dito.
Pero yun nga yung sabi nila, pagka kalbaryo yung dadaanan mo, yung magiging reward nun bandang huli, sulit naman lahat yung pagod mo. Kaya doon natin makikita yan.
Papakita natin yung buong paligid dito.
Yes.
Diba?
Yeah, let's go.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all.
Yay! Then syempre nakita naman ninyo napakaganda ng view na pinuntahan natin doon sa kasi yun? Doon sa may Sitio Duwag. Okay? Napakaganda. Nakita lang natin yun sa vlog ni Jawo, ni Idol Jawo. Kaya naisipan natin, ba't di rin natin puntahan? Tignan natin, subukan natin. Yun. Sulit naman yung pagpunta. May mga kalbaryong kailangan daanan lang. Yung grabe, yung rough road, yung kalsada talaga. Ay, mapapasubo ka doon. Lalo na kung naka big bike ka. Mahirap, promise mahirap. Ito nga, gamit ko 250cc lang na sport bike. Medyo nahirapan din ako, pero mas mahirap pag mas mabigat na mas higher cc. Pero yan, nasa din yan. Nasa sayo lang din yan paano mo didiskarte yan. Pero yan nga, syempre ingat pa rin lagi sa daan para iwas disgrasya. As usual mga kapreds, thank you so much for watching. And yan, pagpasensyaan ninyo kung matagal-tagal tayo nakagawa ulit ng content natin. Medyo may inasikaso lang tayo, lalo na pumasok ang bagong taon. Kaya yan, konting konting tsaga lang, makapagano din tayo. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully hindi kayo magsawa and tuloy-tuloy pa rin kayong sumuporta. And syempre, always remember to ride safe, stay safe, and God bless lagi sa inyo mga friends. Thank you so much for watching Predator's Motovlog, ang Predator ng Pilipinas. Rawr. Nawala yung boses ko. Rawr. Rawr. Tagal ko na hindi nagbablog. Babush.